Hello students, let's see one problem student. Okay, what the problem is, write the equation for the reaction of iron with steam and calcium and potassium with water, right? So iron with steam student, if you are treating with iron with the steam of water, it is give iron second and third oxide, and that is same time it will give, that is hydrogen gas will release student. So when it is reacting with the steam student, they will give the oxide and hydrogen gas. Similarly, aluminum also react with the steam student. You know, it is also reacting with the student, and it give, that is Al2O3, and plus it will give, that is hydrogen gas, dear student. Right? You can balance it out, student. How can you balance? Here you can make 3 1, and here you can make 2. So that is how many water molecule hydrogen gas will release? 3 hydrogen gas. So iron and aluminum react with the steam to give the aluminum oxide and iron oxide and also hydrogen gas. Now calcium and potassium, if you are treating calcium and potassium, they give the hydroxide student. So calcium reacting with the H2O, this is the normal H2O student, normal H2O. So what it will give student, take 2 mole, so it will give, that is calcium hydroxide, and then it will give, that is hydrogen gas, 2 mole of hydrogen gas. Now the next point is there potassium. Okay, this reaction takes place at room temperature student, room temperature. Now if you talk about potassium, if you are treating with the potassium student, take 2 mole potassium and 2 mole of H2O. So what you are going to get student, 2 mole of KOH, and that is, it will give the hydrogen gas, right? So this is what the reaction of calcium and potassium with water. Here the water is cold water student, cold water. So here you see student, calcium plus water, calcium hydroxide, hydrogen gas heat, and potassium plus water, potassium hydroxide, hydrogen plus heat. So this is the reaction of the equation of the iron with steam and calcium potassium with water. Thank you student.